Hey guys, this is Colin from ChainEX. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the new ChainEX Earn Portal, what it is, and how to use it. So first things first, well, what is the Earn Portal? Now, the Earn Portal is a function provided by ChainEX that allows the ChainEX users to stake and save digital currencies. By subscribing to an Earn Portal product, you are able to generate and earn interest on your digital currencies instead of just holding them. The Earn Portal can be seen as having your own savings account on ChainEX. Now, instead of just holding your funds, you can subscribe to an Earn Portal product and earn interest on your funds. And of course, the longer you remain subscribed to an Earn Portal product, the more you will earn. So this begs the question, why would you only hodl or hold on for dear life when you can make your money work for you? So let's talk a little bit about how to actually use the Earn Portal. Firstly, let's go over and navigate to the ChainEX website. And let's log into your ChainEX account. And remember, we do this by going to chainex.io/login. Over there, you will need to then enter your login details and click sign in. Once you have successfully logged into your ChainEX account, navigate to the balances page by clicking balances over here. On the balances page, you will now see a little orange piggy bank next to all the coins that are part of the Earn Portal. This will actually direct you to the Earn Portal and all of the products related to that specific digital currency. The next step is to identify the digital currency that you wish to stake. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be looking at USDT. Right, here it is. So let's click on the Earn Portal button over here. This will now display the USDT Earn Portal products. We now need to identify which Earn Portal product you would actually like to subscribe to. And for this tutorial, we're going to subscribe to the USDT Earn. Now, just before we do that, let's just quickly talk more about the USDT Earn product. Over here, this is the estimated APY, or annual percentage yield, which means this is the estimated percentage of the interest you will receive at the end of the year. Duration? Well, this refers to the length of time your investment will remain in the Earn Portal product. And as you can see, this one is flexible, which means that you can unsubscribe at any time. Do please note that with flexible, if you unsubscribe within 7 days of your subscription, you will be charged a small fee. And for more information regarding this fee, please read the Earn Portal knowledge base topic, where the link can actually be found in the description below. Also, when you unsubscribe from a fixed term product, like a 30-day or 60-day product, for example, before the end of the term, you will forfeit the interest generated and you will only receive your subscription amount back. So please take note of that. Further, when unsubscribing from products, the funds will only appear in your wallet the following day. Minimum amount. Well, this refers to the minimum amount that's required for you to actually subscribe to the particular product. Compound earnings. This means earning interest upon interest. For example, if you turn the compound earnings on, any interest earned will be added to your subscription balance. Therefore, you will earn interest on your new subscription balance. For example, if you chose to subscribe to the USDT Earn with 100 USDT and you turn on compound earnings, after the first day, your earnings will be estimated at 0.02191780 USDT. Therefore, your new subscription balance will not just be the 100 USDT, but it will now be 100.02191780 USDT. And you will now earn interest on that amount instead of just the 100 USDT. Okay, now that we understand that, let's click subscribe. Over here, you will see amount. So now we enter the amount that you would like to invest by using this Earn product. And again, for this tutorial, I will now enter 100 USDT. As you will see over here, the estimated daily earnings and estimated annual earnings have now been updated. This is the estimated amount that you will earn daily, or by the end of the year if you remain subscribed for a full year. Next, you will need to accept the terms and conditions for the Earn Portal product. A few of them I have mentioned already. If you would like to read the terms and conditions before accepting, which we do recommend that you do, all you need to do is click on Accept Terms and Conditions and you will be navigated to the terms and conditions page. Next is compound earnings. Well, you can either leave this off or turn it on. And for this tutorial, I will be turning it on. Now we click subscribe. As you can see, there is a high risk product warning. Please read this warning. You can make the choice to either accept or cancel. I am going to accept. And there we go. I have just subscribed to the USDT Earn Portal product. As you can see over there, this is my pending balance. This is the amount I've invested, and because I turned compound earnings on, all of the earnings I receive will go here, which will accumulate more earnings. As you can see over here, if you want, you can always turn the compound earnings off if you wish to do so at a later stage. Over here, this is your balance. All earnings will be placed and seen over here. If you wish to unsubscribe from this product, then click on the unsubscribe button over here. Over here, you will enter the amount you wish to withdraw when unsubscribing. Then you can click on unsubscribe. Do note that you can only unsubscribe once you have started earning interest, which starts accumulating the next day. Just as a reminder, as I mentioned previously in this tutorial video, that if you unsubscribe within 7 days of your subscription, you will need to pay a fee. Also, when you unsubscribe from a fixed term product like a 30-day or 60-day product, for example, before the end of the term, you will forfeit the interest generated and you will only receive your subscription amount back. Further, when unsubscribing from products, the funds will only appear in your wallet the following day. And there you have it. What is the Earn Portal and how to use it? Now, before you go, you're probably enjoying your ChainEX experience, right? Of course you are. So much so that you can't help but tell your friends about it. Did you know that you can actually get paid just for telling your friends about ChainEX? Well, if you head over here to the Referrals page, you can find your unique personal referral link. And if your friend signs up to ChainEX using your link, you'll get paid a percentage of the trading fees every single time they make a trade. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. For more information regarding the ChainEX referral program and how you can earn, please watch this video over here. Thanks guys so much for watching our tutorial video. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. And please feel free to comment below. See you guys on the next one.